Hey art friends, today's lesson is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to use 4 colored pencils, orange, yellow, blue, and black. Now you can use any brand that you have at home. I'm using Prismacolor brand, and I'll leave links below this video where you can head over to Amazon if you want to purchase the exact brand that I'm using. Now throughout this lesson I'm going to do a lot of fast forwarding, but remember to pause the video to take time to finish the step on your own. Now I'm going to put these off to the side first, and we're going to draw a box right in the middle of our paper. Now this is just to keep the lesson a little bit shorter and to keep the project smaller. But if you want the extra challenge, don't draw a box and fill your entire page. It'll take longer to complete the project, but it will look amazing when you're all finished. So we're going to draw a box about this size. Now I'm going to put the Sharpie off to the side since we don't need it for the rest of the project. Now first we're going to start by using our yellow colored pencil, and I'm just going to go back and forth to make small shapes like this that kind of look like leaves. And I'm also going to change the direction, and I'm going to spread them out on the lower half of this box. Now sometimes I may clump the leaves together like this. We just want it to look natural, and some of the leaves might be spread apart. Now I'm going to fast forward this part, but just a reminder, at the end of fast forwarding, remember to pause the video. You can look at my drawing for inspiration, but take time to finish this step on your own. Don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. It should look different, and you want it to look natural. So some of the leaves can be spread apart, and some of them can be clumped together in little groups. Now we're going to switch to our orange colored pencil, and we're going to repeat the same step, but we're going to add orange leaves. So we're just going to fill in some of the spaces that we left white. We're going to leave the same kind of shape and change the direction. And we're just going to add orange leaves mixed in with the yellow leaves. You can pause the video right now to finish the orange layer. Remember to make it look natural, to clump some of your orange leaves together and also spread some of them out. You can also change the direction of each leaf so that they're pointing differently. Now I'm going to use my black colored pencil to add some branches. And these could just wiggle all through the leaves. You don't have to make these look perfect. And don't try to make them look exactly like mine. That'll be too hard. Just use your creativity and your imagination to make your branches look natural. Some of the branches you can stop and then let them go through the leaves and then pop out in a different area. It looks really cool. It looks like some of the leaves are in front of your branches. Now I'm going to fast forward again, but remember to use your own creativity and draw these branches all through your leaves. Remember to make some of your branches thick and some of them really thin. This also makes your tree look more natural by varying the sizes of each of the branches. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our branches going through all the leaves. It looks super cool. Now we're ready for our last step, and that's to color our sky. So we're going to use our blue colored pencil. We're going to go in, press really hard so that it looks solid. And we're also going to color in between the leaves. So we want to make sure that there's some blue peeking through each of the little spots on our tree. I finished coloring my sky solid blue. I pressed really hard to get that smooth look. I hope your drawings look different than mine. I hope you use your creativity to change them and to make them look even better. I also hope that some of you took the challenge to not draw this box and to fill your entire page. The project's going to take a lot longer, but it's going to turn out amazing, especially if you frame it. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!